Alright you guys, good morning. Hello. No, we are doing a day in the life video today. I just bumped my heel. Ow, okay, not too close. So yeah, I just totally hit my heel on the couch and ripped my skin. So anyway, we are gonna go ahead and vlog for you guys today. We have a lot of things going on today. I am just getting ready to drop Ava off at school. Excited to go to school? Are you gonna play with friends today? Yes. You got your water bottle? Show them your water bottle. You like that water bottle, huh? So anyway, I hit my heel and you guys saw that. I just dropped Ava off. I'm just sitting in the parking lot of her preschool and they gave me a band-aid, so I'm going to put this on. I am on my way to drive to a city called Scottsdale, which is like a popular nice city here in Arizona, and it's a little bit of a drive for me. So I am driving there because I'm going to see this girl that does eyebrows, that does microblading, and she is gonna microblade my eyebrows because they really need it. You guys know I have like caterpillar eyebrows. So right now, I just got them threaded right now. I got them threaded on Friday, and that was like $8, and today's Monday. I feel like those of you who have been watching me for a while and supporting my channel, you guys know what my eyebrows look like, and you guys have probably seen my get ready with me and that I do not know how to do eyebrows. I'm gonna try this out. I'm super excited. Let me give you the name of the gal. It is Brows by J.K. Carlson, and it's an Arizona eyebrow girl. So I'm going to go ahead, set my GPS, head there. So I'm here with Jessie and your Instagram and your company.
Brows by J.K. Carlson.
Brows by J.K. Carlson. So she is gonna be the one doing my eyebrow microblading today. I explained it a little bit to you guys earlier in the car. So I'm really excited. This is the first time I'm meeting her. She already seems like a sweetheart. So if you're here in Arizona in the Scottsdale area, then follow her Instagram and you can come see her. So yeah, do you want to explain it a little bit?
Sure, so we're gonna just numb her for like the first 20 minutes, and then afterwards we're gonna take it off, and then I'll shape her brows a little bit, and then it's a little blade that goes into like a pen, and then we make like tiny hair strokes, and it just makes your eyebrows more full, and yeah.
Yeah, fun. It seems so simple when you say. What is the healing process?
So the healing process, the first week you're not supposed to get your brows wet. You're supposed to like wash around them, like while you're in the shower, you leave like a towel out, try to dab your brows. But after that, it's like 6 weeks, and then I do a touch-up.
Okay.
And then after the touch-up, they should stay for over a year or so.
Oh wow,
yeah.
That's great.
Depending on how well you take care of them.
So right now, you guys, I have my the numbing cream on, or the numbing ointment, and it's kind of working. It's kind of tingly right now. So I feel it, and I've been just kind of laying here chilling to let that work. And then we are over here picking out, I don't know if this is
Colors.
Oh, and
your brows.
There you go. Okay. So yeah, colors for my brows.
Let's see.
And I dye my hair blonde. So how do you figure out like people who dye their hair in their natural color? Do we just go by my natural color?
A lot of people go by the natural color, but because you are fake blonde like how I am,
yeah.
I just do like a good brown that's like looks good on your skin tone. So I'll show you which ones and you can decide. Crazy part.
Yeah.
It's not gonna look like this, I promise.
Oh my gosh.
So they can see the strokes, what they look like. So it's not so scary. Ta-da!
Yeah, it looks good.
This one's setting.
It looks crazy. No.
It does. It seriously does.
Alright you guys, so I just picked up Ava. Hi. And she was eating lunch. I am like 30 minutes early to pick her up. That's just because since I was on my way back home, this is like 15 minutes before our house, so it made sense just to pick her up now. And they were just eating lunch and we hung out in there for a few minutes. But I'm gonna head home and then check in with you guys, let you guys know about my experience with the eyebrows. And yeah, and then let you see my other surprise in a few minutes. All right, you guys, so this is the after look of the microblading. I just got a little arch, filled the ends and the inside a little more. But they need to heal. It's gonna heal, it's gonna fade a little bit. And then in 6 weeks, like she said, I'll get my touch-up.
Did it hurt more than the tattoo removal?
No, no, no.
It didn't?
No. I haven't even showed him yet. I just walked in the door. And I'm like probably, oh, I'm not taking my hat off yet, you guys, because I washed my hair this morning. My hair's like super curly right now, so. You see it? Mm-hmm. He's look at his face, guys. What is that face? It looks funny now just because it's a process.
It does. It looks like perfect right now.
Like that. It looks perfect? To me, it looks like it's...
I mean, it's like perfectly like...
That string crazy.
Yeah, so it's like when you go to the barber shop and like you get your beard lined up and they get it like perfectly straight. Like that's how I feel like it looks right now. It's like perfectly like everything's perfectly lined up.
Yeah.
Is it just gonna be like that? Like not like a hair's not out of place. Like there's.
It'll definitely fade over the weeks. Mm-hmm. So. I am happy to announce that we got a puppy. Is that your puppy?
Yeah.
Say hi, Remy.
Hi.
Hi. Do you love Remy?
Yeah. Hi. And it was soft and
He's so soft.
yeah, soft white.
Soft white.
Yeah, soft white and
Yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and add in some clips here for you guys to watch for a little bit because we actually recorded the footage of picking him up and giving him his first bath and introducing him to Isaiah and all of that good stuff. So you kind of see everyone's reaction. New family member! Woo! Are you excited?
I am.
Yay! This is what you've wanted for a long time.
This is a road dog.
Do you have a name yet?
I don't know. I don't know which one we're gonna get. If we're getting a boy or the girl.
Yeah, me neither.
Depends on if we're getting the boy or the girl.
Yeah. First poo-poo on our carpet here. So I'm getting that cleaned up and I'm going to put down some of the Odor Cleanse pet granules that I have. Thank God I have those. To get rid of any kind of odors and stains and stuff. So I'm gonna lay that down. But what we'll probably do is roll this carpet up and put it away for now so we don't ruin it. Are you trying to feed the puppy?
yeah.
Come here.
Oh,
Puppy.
this is his mat.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the first time Isaiah's meeting Remy?
Remington.
Remington. We've decided on a name. There.
He's so tiny.
Yeah. Did Daddy bring you Anna?
And
Oh, Anna and Elsa. Let's pause this.
Oh no. That's round.
Wow.
Oh, frozen.
yeah.
Say thank you to Daddy. Uh-oh. She's most excited about that.
What is that?
Kinder egg.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
She said Kinder Egg.
Oh, Kinder Egg?
In there.
There's something in there. You gotta open it.
In my napkin
You
is.
want me to get you a napkin?
It
smells disgusting. It smells like a dying bird.
You're so crazy. You want to say hi to the vlog? We've been filming today some things. Isaiah just got back from wrestling, from practice. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Anyway, I just got a package from Grove Collaborative. I did order some of these probiotics. These are like by the company Love Bug, and they help with like IBS and digestion and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna try them out. I've used probiotics before in the past, but I don't feel like they were that effective, but I guess it depends on what you buy and which brand and things. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here and get us ready for bed and all that good stuff. So it was really nice having you guys. Thanks for watching. Like if you liked it, and also subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. Anyway, let me know that you guys watched this video by saying hi down below in the comments, so then I know you were here. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you and bye.